Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got a little unboxing video here, and this one is going to be brought to you by Petra Tools. This specific model is the LTPRO 2.0. I came upon this battery spray through Petra Tools Instagram page, and I kind of fell in love with the design. There's similar backpack sprayers out there, but this one's actually really well priced, compared to the backpack sprayers that are out there. So, and from what I've heard, is made really solid. And as they have this slogan here, Petra built rock solid. So I'm really looking forward. Before I start the unboxing, I want to thank you guys that have subscribed to my channel. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like this video, all that fun stuff, guys. I really appreciate it. It helps me keep moving forward into creating all these videos. So thank you so much in advance for doing that. Let's proceed to the video. Okay guys, so we have the instruction manual, Petra battery power sprayer. Okay, it's the LTPRO 2.0. Okay, let's I'll look at this later on. I'll put it right here. And we also have, I believe this is going to be the fittings. I believe this is the shower nozzle. Put that right here. Spray nozzle, just a single one. This is a double nozzle. It's kind of like the adjustable nozzle attachment. I think that's what it's called, but this is pretty cool because you can kind of turn it into any direction that you need. So that is awesome. And then you get a couple of these rubber seals, which is terrific. This is something that normal sprayers don't come in. I mean, my spray over there didn't come with any of these replacements, so this is pretty good to have just in case. I think that's about it. Put this up here. Wow, that looks really good, man. Just love the design of this sprayer. Looks really good. Then we have the extension one here, which is built pretty good with actually I forgot to say, these are plastic tips. They're not kind of like the regular plastic. It looked like the more durable plastic tips. This one is also plastic, but it's can't really pinpoint what kind of, you know, plastic this one is, but it's a very high quality plastic. And as I mentioned, you know, you got the metal wand. There it is. So that's actually pretty cool, you know. That's about, I would say, 3 feet or so. This is the rubber hose. Feels really good. Trigger feels really good as well. Lock it in place there. Release. It's actually really good. The handle feels really good. I don't feel like I'm gonna need this. I mean, probably if you're spraying thousands and thousands of square footage, you know, this will come in handy. Padding here feels really good. Flip this over. This tank feels really well built, you know, to be honest with you. This is where the battery compartment is. Then one click slides out. There's a 21-volt battery. Looks like it's halfway full. That's actually pretty neat. That lets you know the battery level. Got kind of like a rubber seal around the battery door. Door actually closes pretty nicely here. Looks like that thing is not going to come out of place. Put this down. I believe this is a 4-gallon tank, and I think that marks it over here. Got 15 liters, 4 gallons. Yep. Then the on and off switch here. It's actually really quiet, actually, compared to my other sprayer up there. That's pretty sweet. Then you have your battery charger. And here we got the strainer here. Actually, liking the sprayer so far. And the build quality, it just feels, it just is there. The quality. I can't wait to do some spraying with this thing now. So I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod, and then I'm just gonna test fit this. Okay, so here's the sprayer on me. It took about a couple minutes, you know, just to adjust the straps to your body. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. Actually, feels really good. The padding on the back of the sprayer feels really nice. You know, it feels like you're wearing a book bag, you know, to go to school, pretty much. I like how the wand, I don't know if the, excuse the mess here, guys. I like how the wand is so long and actually away from from you. Hoping that the camera's catching it, but yeah, there's a pretty nice distance from the body towards where you're gonna spray. So that's really nice. So having the wand away from your body is actually pretty nice, you know. Be sure you leave me some comments, you know, about the sprayer. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.